Hi teacher, my name is Gabriel Jose Prato Moncada and I'm going to talk about programming language. First, what is programming language? In general terms, a programming language is a tool that allows you to develop computer software or programs. Programming language are used to design and implement programs responsible for defining and maintaining the behavior of the physical and logical device of a computer. This is accomplished by creating and implementing precision algorithms that are used as a form of human communication with a computer. Algorithms are widely used when programming. The main function of programming language is to write programs that allow user-machine communication. Special programs, compilers or interpreters convert instructions written in source code into instruction written in machine language 0 or 1. Now, I want to describe programming language types. There are three kinds of programming language. The first is machine language. It's the most primitive of the codes and is based on binary numbers. Only 0 and 1. This language is used directly by machines or computers. The second is low-level programming language. It is a language a little easier to interpret, but it can vary according to the machine or computer that is beginning program. The third is high-level programming language. In this category are the most used English words we use, which makes it easier for a person to intervene than in the previous two. High-level programming languages are currently used such as C language. Programming in C, among other things, for the development of operating system. The first operating system written in C was UNET. Later, other operating systems like Linux were also written in C. C syntax is why programmers talk about the C family, or programming language, which typically include languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Objective-C, and many others. Java. It is used to create applications and processes on a wide variety of devices. It is based on goal-oriented programming, allowed to run the same program on different operation systems and safely execute to call on remote systems. Here is used to program Minecraft. JavaScript is the programming language in charge of providing more interactive and dynamic to web page. When JavaScript runs in the browser, it doesn't need a compiler. The browser reads the code directly without the need for third parties. Therefore, it is recognized as one native language of the web together with HTML content and its structure and CSS content design and its structure. If it weren't for JavaScript, Adobe Flash will still be used to create on the web. The Python programming language is widely used by companies around the world to build web application, analysis data, automating operation, and create reliable and scalable business applications. Many technology companies, including Google, Uber, Netflix, and Facebook, have been using this program language for years and building their technology infrastructure based on it. Python is the most widely used language for artificial intelligence. PHP is a programming language designed to develop applications to the web upgrade web page, favoring the connection between the servers and the user interface. Among the factors that make PHP so popular, it is the fact that it is open source. In my opinion, we should learn English so that when learning some of these program languages, it is easier to understand and apply them. If we are studying them since they are mainly in that language. Programming languages are present in our life without realizing it, and we use it daily. That sums my presentation on the topic. Thank you for your attention. Move on now to talk about some new words or expressions that I learned in English topic that I have present. 1. Believer. 2. Main function. It is not new, but I always listed it. And interpret. Thanks.